Hi. Some of you are having trouble with the dichotomous key, so let's see if we can go through a couple of these examples together. All right. So we know here that the genus is Fragilis, right? So all we have to do is take one picture at a time. You cannot take them all. You have to look at one. So one picture at a time, and then we'll go through each question. Hair freely out on head, unbound, or hair bound by a hat or bands. The hair is free, so that means we go to number 2. Hair has orange in it. No. Hair does not have orange in it. Go to number 4. Here's number 4. Arms stretched out. No. One arm reaching for the sky. Mookie. So the name of this Fraggle is Mookie. Okay? Let's do one more. Let's try this one here. So would I take this one? Hair freely out on head, or hair bound by hat or bands? The hair is bound, so I go to number 3. Hair has, number 3, sorry. Wearing a tie or hair in pigtails? The hair is in pigtails, so this is red. Now, what did I forget to do here? Right, scientific names. So it should say Fragilis, the capital F, red with the lowercase r, and Fragilis, and the Mookie should be lowercase. Okay? Let's try a couple of these just to see how we're doing. So remember, you can only take one at a time. I think that's where the confusion is. One at a time. So let's go here. Teeth are visible. Yes. Go to number 2. Has a wide tooth smile, is not smiling. Is not smiling, so go to number 3. Visibly crying. Yes. So this is Smilus dramaticus. I need to write that here. Let's try another one. Let's try this one. Teeth visible. No. Teeth not visible. Go to 4. Eyes are symmetrical. No. Eyes not symmetrical. Go to 8. Has a pirate eye patch. Yes. Smilus piratus.